Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui Delta Black. This has got a level 10 build on it. It's got the Laylax silver trigger that you can see there. It's got a Gate Titan Advanced. It's got the Tokyo Marui Cobalt motor. It's got the Psionic R Hop. It's got the Laylax Sling point on the back here. It's got the FPS Tappet Plate, FPS Piston. It's got the custom CTR stock on the back there, you can see. And this has got a 1300 7.4 volt lipo in there. You don't need Velcro on our ones, they hold on nicely. We've got the Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Prometheus gears, Prometheus bearings, Prometheus cylinder, Prometheus spring guide, Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus Selector plate, Prometheus piston head, Prometheus cylinder head, and Laylax trigger pin that goes through there. We've got EagleSix upgraded recoil spring and mainspring, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. It's a 272 on 3 2s, and we're now ready to just demonstrate it working. It's obviously a really snappy trigger response on the Gate Titan. Yeah, rate of fire's motor in. Quick sight, we might bring that down a little. There we go, so it's all tested working, and like I say, I'm probably just going to tweak that just a 10% reduction on that rate of fire, and yeah, other than that, that's all ready to go, and we hope you enjoy it. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise we hope you have fun. Thank you.